In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sections in Carrd. If your one-page site is getting long or you want to reveal content only when someone clicks a button, Carrd's section break control is exactly what you need. Think of it as a marker that defines a section of your page and gives you a clean anchor to jump to, so content can stay out of the way until it's needed. Start by heading to carrd.co in your browser. From the home page, open your dashboard and choose the project you want to work on. This takes you into the Carrd Builder where you can add and organize elements on your page. Inside the builder, look for the Add button and select it. From the list that appears, choose Control. Controls are special behind-the-scenes elements that help manage how your page behaves. In the Controls settings, open the Type dropdown and pick Section Break. This tells Carrd you're creating a section marker rather than a visible element. Give your section break a clear, unique name. Short, descriptive names like Pricing, FAQ, or Sign Up Start work best. Avoid spaces or special characters to keep things simple and easy to reference later. When you're happy with the name, click Done to add it to your page. Now drag the new section break to the exact spot where you want the section to begin. Wherever you place this marker becomes the point visitors will jump to when they use your navigation or a button. If your goal is to keep a part of the page out of the initial view, place the break right above the content you'd rather reveal on demand. You can always move it later, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. With the break in place, link it to a scroll or a button so users can access that section when they need it. In practice, that means editing your button or navigation item and setting its action to scroll to the section break you just named. This approach keeps the content hidden from the initial view while still being easy to reach. Before you publish, preview your site and test the button or link to make sure it jumps to the correct spot. If it doesn't, double-check the section break's name and position. Small naming mismatches are the most common cause of missed links. When everything feels right, save your changes and publish. That's it, you've created a simple, controlled way to keep sections out of the way until your visitors ask for them, making your Carrd site cleaner, faster to scan, and easier to navigate.